On behalf of the youths of Nailaga and the students and the management of the school of Raturusi Atanambuta Memorial School, firstly, I would like to give the thanks, a big vinakavakalevu to the Almighty God for the great opportunity for today, for making it happen, for the greatest blessing that we have all been waiting for all our lives, the youths. Let us give a big round of applause. Let us thank the Lord for His great blessing, and we also thank the government of the day, the Honorable Prime Minister, and the Minister for Youth and Sports, Mr. Parveen Bala. Mr. Parveen Bala has always been by our side ever since he went to Parliament. And so we thank you very much. This is a great opportunity for us. This is a great blessing. I always tell my youth club every day when they started the work, this is the greatest blessing that we have ever received as a youth club. We've been playing in rainy seasons, we've been playing in muddy season, but this is a new era. This is a new era of development, not only for us, but for our future generations who are sitting here as a primary school students. And we thank you. Thank you for the opportunity. This is a great start for us, and I hope there is more blessings for us. Vinaka Vakalevu, and God bless you all.